In a lush meadow surrounded by towering oaks, there lived two curious friends, Bunny, a spirited hare with a love for exploring, and Rabbit, a wise elder known for his stories. Despite their different perspectives, they cherished their friendship. One sunny morning, Bunny darted into the meadow with excitement. "Rabbit," he exclaimed, "let's explore those hills today." Rabbit adjusted his spectacles, glancing towards the distant hills. "Adventuring is splendid, Bunny, but remember to plan carefully." "It's important to prepare," he advised. Impatient but considerate, Bunny agreed. "What do we need, Rabbit?" Together, they packed a small bag with a canteen, carrot snacks, and a map Rabbit had drawn from memory. "Always know where you're going," Rabbit said as he pointed at the map. As they approached the hills, Bunny stopped abruptly. "Look, Rabbit! A butterfly!" Rabbit chuckled. "Nature is full of wonders, Bunny. Always observe what's around you. You never know where inspiration may come from." A few yards ahead, they encountered a narrow creek. "How shall we cross it, Rabbit?" asked Bunny. Rabbit smiled, recalling his travels. "Sometimes, the easiest path is through teamwork. Let's build a bridge." They gathered fallen branches and, with Rabbit's guidance, created a safe passage. As they climbed higher, a rustling noise caught Bunny's attention. "What's that sound?" he asked, ears perked. Rabbit calmed his friend. "It's just the wind in the forest." Recognizing familiar sounds helps you understand your surroundings. Soon, they arrived at a clearing, the perfect spot for lunch. "These carrot snacks are delicious," Bunny remarked, munching contentedly. While they ate, Rabbit recounted tales of brave explorers, emphasizing, "Adventure is about discovery and learning, not just the destination." Finished with their meal, Bunny spotted a narrow tunnel ahead. "Shall we explore inside?" he asked enthusiastically. Rabbit nodded. "Just remember, Bunny, curiosity is wonderful, but proceed carefully." Together, they ventured, marveling at the rock formations. Exiting the tunnel, they stumbled upon a field of blooming wildflowers. "Wow, Rabbit, every adventure is different," Bunny exclaimed. Rabbit smiled. "That's the beauty of exploration. Every day is unique, offering wonder at each turn." As the sun began to set, they returned to the meadow, Bunny's eyes filled with newfound wisdom. "Today was amazing, Rabbit. I learned so much." Rabbit patted Bunny's shoulder. "That's the magic of adventure, Bunny. Where there's curiosity, there's always something to learn." Back home, Bunny reflected on the day's journey. "I can't wait for our next adventure," he said, hopping happily. Rabbit nodded in agreement, settling down with a satisfied grin. "Tomorrow brings another story waiting to unfold," he promised. Their day ended, but the lessons they learned lingered, inspiring Bunny and Rabbit to dream of their next expedition. Knowing curiosity and respect for nature would always lead them to wondrous discoveries.